Hello everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can change background of your Edge browser. I'm in the homepage of your Edge browser, so you can see it's like dull. So if you guys wanted to post some background, then this video is for you, so follow up. First, click on this setting gear icon, and then you guys need to click on background edit. All right, and you will see something like this. The first thing is you guys will need to turn on background, which is toggle off for me. If you guys have toggle on, then it's perfectly fine. You can either change this background if you wanted to, like I have here, like sunflower and some still moving videos and all the stuff. And also, if you guys wanted to upload some custom photo, you can click on upload image. All right, so I'm gonna upload the image and I'm gonna choose this too and click on open. So as soon as you upload it, it should show you your background over here, and then click on apply. And well, there you go guys, it's that simple to apply background. Consider subscribing to this channel if you guys think this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in next video. Peace.